Good morning, everyone. It is 6 a.m. in Morocco. We're in the Atlas region. And if you're wondering why I'm up so early, it's because there's a call to prayer at 6 a.m. all throughout Morocco, including remote areas like this. So I thought I'd get up because I felt like getting up and show you the look I achieved with the Aker Fassi I bought at the market in Marrakech. Now, it's an inexpensive little item. It's maybe $3 or $4. When you buy it from the vendors here in Morocco. I have seen them online and they are very expensive. They're about $40 US. So I might bring a few back and try to recoup some of my very extravagant expenses that I made when we visited the Herberoristerie. It's a very upscale essential oil and spice store. I will definitely be using some of those high-end ingredients in quite a few oily serums and oleo gels that are coming up, and some milk to cream cleansers because yeah, they are amazing, and I will be showing you those later. So what I wanted to do this morning was to show you how this worked. This is the look I achieved using the Aker Fassi. Now, if those of you who have been watching my videos know that I tried to recreate this after I purchased one online. And I think I did a pretty good job. It's very nice, but this one has like a, can you see that green sheen? So I'm not sure what ingredient I'm missing because I never quite achieved that in my formulations in my own kitchen. So this, as you recall, you take a lip brush or a Q-tip and you just kind of rub it like that. And then, and this is wet. Your lips should be wet. And it stains your lips. Now I've been layering it. I also used it on my cheek area. I think it's going to be plenty. I really like the look. A little bit of eyeshadow and I was done. And just to finish up, and I had some questions about how to use this and what's okay to use. I'm going to finish it off with a lip balm because it does kind of dry the lips. So I've got my trusty EOS Vanilla Peppermint. Very apropos for Morocco. Every day I have as much of the local Moroccan mint tea as I can consume because it helps with the changes in my diet, and I also just love mint. So if you enjoyed this little quick product introduction, of course I did buy the same product at a high-end place and it was closer to $20. So we can compare the two and see which one you like. It's actually in the shape of a tangine, little spoiler there. So very, very cute, very, very sweet. Yeah. I may actually import some and bring them back with me and have them available in my store. Not something I normally do, but yeah, that might be fun. So if you're interested, go ahead and have a look, or do a request. I do most of this kind of stuff by custom request. I am in Morocco now, so they're going gone. Let me tell you. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe, and join me for the next episode of cosmetic and spice accumulation as I travel through the southern end of Morocco. Today we're going into the desert, and it's going to be all new, and I'm really excited. So see you next time. Bye.